and then we have the lotion here, and then these are the silk cocoon. These are the rice silk cocoon, and then these are all the silk cocoon. And then here are some of the products like that are made out of silk. So the rest of the video is going to show you what is happening in this company.
Started about 150 years back, and then gradually the production is gradually made by year, and before the World War II, the peak is the top, and then began the World War II, the production is less, and then after World War II, it becomes gradually the production is gradually more and more. So this in Okaya. Okaya is a very, very famous pattern to produce silk reading. The production of Japan is the highest, best production these areas. Before the World War II, the production is almost exported to United States. Before Europe, and then United States. So we can get the money from the foreign countries, and then in Japan, built this modernized world. So this precedes this here. This picture we call bird eye view pictures. This is 84 years back. From sky, a bird sea to Okaya. So that is the same case. And then although Pacific War started 1941, so the silk production is down. And then after World War II, but 1970, the production is gradually reduced and reduced. And then now in Japan, the production is very, very big. Silk farm is 180 farms, 180 in Japan. And silk building company is one person, and another is one person. So parts. So one side there is 150 parts. Just figure show, yes. Right side is 150, and the other left side is 150. So total is 300 silk reading basement like this piece. So Japan over time, the reading is handmade. The characteristics of silk is less. So Japan government decided to read using French or Italian promoted using like this machine. In Japan, they can produce. Controllable. What is it? So this is 150 years back. They developed like this. So this is original value like this. We turned like this, steam like this. So directly steam inside like this water and then boil. Another one is this is the cooking reading parts. So using this steam come in and then make a so one person sit down and then read. So this is one part. Use this brush. This brush is for rice. Do you like rice?
Yes.
Rice fields. This is top of the plant, and then this appearance is like this, complex like this. So this use first time is very hard, but input in the worm like this. So this is very soft, and then smoothly I like, and then surface of cocoons so we can like this pick up cocoon filament. So cocoon filament is very thin. Diameter one filament is 10 to 20 micrometers. 10 to 20 micrometers. So this is we peel food, so it is easy to cut. But ordinarily in Japan, we can use one filament to make a silk fabric. So you ordinarily gather the several number of cocoon filament, and then like this. This is about 10 number of cocoons. We call this is raw silk. This is raw silk, and one filament is a cocoon filament, and then raw silk. Raw silk to butter. I pull out butter. It is easy to cut. But my right hand wind up 5 times and 15 times, and then 20 times. So we can cut like this, my force, but very pain. This. Pain. Got it. Pain.
Yes.
And this type is 20 number of 20 cocoons, and this is number is very more. So Miyazaka City public